Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style hot and sour soup. So this soup is eaten widely at restaurants, and as monsoon is going on, you'll surely enjoy having this warm soup. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन र लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pan heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To that add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Add 2 chopped green chillies and saute again. Now let's add the veggies. I have added 1/4 cup of chopped beans, 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of chopped capsicum and 1/3 cup of chopped cabbage. You can also add mushrooms or baby corn if you want. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add few sweet corn kernels and few coriander stems. Adding the stems of coriander gives the soup amazing flavor. Saute for a few seconds and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give everything a mix. Add 2 glasses of water, 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and mix everything well. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add corn flour slurry and mix. I have added corn flour and water in a bowl and added that to the soup. Cook for 2 minutes or till it thickens a little. Our soup has thickened now. Turn off the heat and serve hot. Finally, add few chopped coriander leaves, or you can also add spring onions if you have. I didn't have spring onions, hence I am adding coriander leaves, and this tastes so good. So our restaurant style delicious hot and sour soup is ready. This was so easy to make and turned out to be super amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.